Hey everyone, so is Airtable giving you login problems? Maybe you can't sign in, the app keeps showing errors, or your credentials aren't being accepted. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you need to access your bases quickly. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Airtable login problems in 2026, and most of these steps only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Airtable needs a reliable network to authenticate your account, so check your Wi-Fi or wired connection. Next, double-check your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password for your Airtable account. If you're logging in through a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can prevent successful login. Restart the Airtable app on your device. Close it completely from the task manager or system tray, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. Your firewall or antivirus may block Airtable from connecting. Make sure Airtable is allowed through security software on your device. If you still can't log in, reset your password. Use the Forgot Password option on the login screen and follow the instructions. If all else fails, reinstall Airtable. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website or app store, and install it again. This usually resolves persistent login issues. And that's it. Most Airtable login problems can be fixed by checking your internet, verifying credentials, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.